the subject Internet Programming, that is Unit 1, but Chapter 4, that is HTML. The fourth chapter is HTML. So in that HTML, we are going to study about, so what are the what is HTML, what is the use of the HTML, so what are the tags we have used in this HTML for designing the website, the example programs and all that. Okay. So it's abbreviation of HTML, stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay. So what's the use of this HTML? So it allows you to organize the text, so graphics, audio and video on a web page. Okay. Normally, this HTML is a formatting language used to define the appearance and the content of a web page. For having any web page, have a lot of content. For this displaying content, its appearance is very important. Okay, then content is very important. So those are focused with is based on this HTML and size group. Okay, the word hypertext is referred to the text which acts as a link. Okay. The word, what second word, that is markup. That is first word, hypertext, is referred to the text which acts as a link. Next, second, that is markup, is referred to the symbol that are used to define the structure of the text. Okay. For this markup symbol tells the browser how to display the text and are often called tags. But the tag only to define, to tells to browser to how to display the text and other things. Okay. The last language referred to as the syntax. So that is similar to any other languages. Okay, this is generally basic concept of HTML. Okay. So that you have to study about a lot of tags. So what are the tags you have to have in HTML? So what is tag? The tag is a command that tells the web browser how to display the text, audio, and graphics or video on a web page. Okay, tag is command that tells to the web browser. Okay. So the text, audio, graphics or video, whatever, to display to web page. So normally the tag is a representation of the tag by using the open angular brackets. So we have to use the less than symbol character and it with the greater than symbol, that is open angle bracket and closed angle bracket. Specify less than symbol and this greater than symbol. You have to see the that is less than symbol, that is open angle bracket, that is a greater than symbol. It's a closed angle bracket. The tag name is specified between the angular brackets. Okay, the tag name is specified with the angular bracket. So mainly this HTML is formatting language which defines the appearance and content of the web page. Already you know. So normally the tag is a command that tells to the web browser how to display the text, audio, graphics and video and everything. Here the closing tags specified including the slash, forward slash. Some tags are the empty, they don't have the closing tag. Okay. So telling tag, that is tags are not case sensitive. There is no case sensitive, is not case sensitive of the tag. So see some of the basic tags used in HTML. Okay, tag description. So first HTML, see the first tag, that is open angular space and closing. So in closing tag, you have to use the slash. Okay, this is open angle bracket, so this is closing angle bracket. Then this is the starting position tag. This is for ending position tag. And all the tags are like that. For HTML, head, title, this is open, close, this is open body, this is close body. Then anything H1 to H6, paragraph, and there is a break, heading, anything. For here, this HTML is to specify the documents as a web page, and head, that is heading, to describe the heading, and title, especially the title of the web page. And whatever display the web page in body of the page, to use the body. Then headings, you have to view the H1 to H6, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Up to 6 types of tags during the HTML headings. Then suppose we are given the paragraph. Suppose we want to display the paragraph, we'll use P. Open tag, and can give the close tag. P. Okay. Next break, insert a single line break, that is enter statement. Next HR, that is same way to make changes in the content. So these are some of the basic tags used in HTML. By using these basic HTML tags, you have to the simple program to display a message in your web page by using the tag. Each and every HTML program to start with first tag, that is HTML. Open brackets, open angle brackets, HTML, and close angle brackets. Okay, so every HTML program we start with HTML. Then suppose you want to display any content into the website body of the website, so you can specify the tag body. Open angle bracket, body, close angle bracket. Okay. Then you will display the heading. If you want to display any heading, means use the tag, that is H1 or H2 or H3 or H4 or H5 or H6. Here I use H1. My first heading is open angle bracket. It is open, it is for close. In close bracket, you have to use the slash symbol. Okay, this is a message. My first heading. This is a message. In between, there is open angle bracket and close angle bracket for start statement, for the start tag statement and end tag statement. Give the message. This is a start tag statement. This is the end tag statement. In between, you have to use to my first heading and message. Next, you have to display any paragraph. Use this tag P. This P, and there also open angle and close angle. You have to give the message. My first paragraph. Okay. Next, you have to close the body, open angular body by using the close tag by using. So already you have to open. Now you have to close by using slash symbol. Then close the HTML also. So this open, This is close. So this is a simple program to display the message, that is called as heading and paragraph. Okay. So the output of this program, see, my first heading and my first paragraph. This is my first heading, that is the heading, specify the heading. Second, the first paragraph, specify the paragraph. Where this is the output for this program. A simple HTML program by using tags. Okay. Then formatting tags. So to use lot of tags. See the one by one. For the specify the text as a bold. Text as a bold. Then em. Embossed text from it specifies the important text. I italic tag displays not the italic, the content is in italic font. Substitute text, super substitute text, inserted text, deleted text, the marked text. So define an acronym, abbreviations of acronym. Define the contact information, the author or owner, attachment or article. Okay. So BBA, video, big, that quotation, section that quotates from the another source. Okay. So these are some of the formatting tags you are used to this HTML. Okay. These are formatting tags used in HTML. Then an example program. Some of the symbol exercise. Okay. Here, how to use some of the tags for B. Specify in bold text. Some our message is an example of the message. Specify that is bold text. Bold text. So this B in between open angular bracket B and close angular bracket B, we have to input bold text. So this bold text is automatically dark bold text and emphasize text. So these are some of the exercise. Italic, subscript for example of computer code. Stick through subscripted text. So according to this, based on our input, how to display out. These are some of the exercise tags. Then I'm going to discuss about table tags. What are the table tags that we use? Suppose if we are creating a table by using the HTML, how to use this tag. For example, table, tr, th, td, caption, thread, body, put, column. For each and every text has the description. The table is specified the table. str is specified the row in the table. Which row? Table of the row. Table of the row. The th is header. header cell in the table, in top position, header cell in the table, and the TD, data in a cell and table, and specify the table caption, and that's all. It's all thread, the body, and keyboard, like that. Okay. Then one example program. I want to create a table. This table is containing display 3 columns and 3 rows. Each row has of cells. Okay, this is the output. So based on the output, you have to write the coding. So program, example program, using HTML. Okay. So to first create a table, means you give the tag, that is table. So what's the border size of the table? The border size is 1. Then column. So we have 3 columns. So column 1, column 2, column 3. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Then row. Row also 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3. So it is row 1. So row 1 have to 4 cells. Okay. And row 3. So row 1, cell 1, and row 1, cell 2, and row 1, cell 3. So each row having a number of cells. Row 1, cell 1, row 1, cell 2, and row 1, cell 3. Okay. And row 1, cell 1 again, row 2, cell 2, row 2, cell 3. That's what we have this program. So finally, it will display the table. Finally, you have to close the table by using the close tag and the HTML. If there is starting, there is the close. This is the table start, the table end. Okay. So this is example program. Next, list tag. So what are the list tags used in this HTML? So what are the tags used in? First of all, UL, specify the unordered list. OL, ordered list. So like that, LI, DL, DT, DD, directory, DI, and menu items. These are some of the tags used. There is a list tags used in HTML during the website creation. Okay. So next, frames. So what are the frames we have to use HTML? So frames, nothing but is able to divide the browser window into multiple rectangular regions. So each region contains separate HTML web page, and each of them work independently. Okay. A set of frames in the entire browser is known as frame set. A set of frames in the entire browser is known as frame set, and it tells the browser how to divide the browser window into the frames. And the web page that each has to load. We have a number of tags used to the frames. The first tag, frame set, close and open. Let us use the frame set. This is open. This is close. So what the use of this frame set means? It is a replacement of body. Does not contain the tags that are normally used in body elements. This frame elements used to add each frame. And open frame and close frame is specify the content of a different frame in the web page. It specify the number of contents in the web page. Okay. Next, forms. What are the forms you have to use? So forms you have to use in the HTML. have to use the forms, the input values. So these values are sent to the server for processing. So these forms are used input elements such as text field, checkbox, radio button, list and submit button, etc. to enter the data into the particular ways by using the function. We are having a lot of tags used in the form. First, this open form and close form. This is open. This is closed. So create the HTML form. This form is used to, this tag is used to create a HTML form. Then input. That is open input and close input. Specify the input field. Then text area, open, close. So this is the text area control that allows to the enter multiple lines of text. So label. Label for an input element. Button. It define the clickable button. Define the click button. Select. The select tags used to drop down list. To prepare the drop down list, so to use the select form. It is option group. Option is drop down list. On the option field set. So group related to the element in your form. Again. Okay. So these are some of the forms tags used in this HTML. Output. Next, going to this image tag. What are the tags used in the image? Post to have position kind of means no. So what are tags used in this particular image? IMG, define an image. Map, define a client side image map. Okay? Image map. Then area, define an area inside an image map. Canvas. Used to draw graphics and the play via scripting, usually JavaScript. Okay. Figure caption. Define caption for figuring elements. Next, figure. The figure tags is to specify the self-contained contents. Okay. Next, audio and video. Audio and video. So what are the tags used in audio and video? Audio tag used to define the sound content. So define the sound content. Audio, sound content. And source tag define the multiple media resources for media element. The track define text track for media element. Okay. And video define the video or movie. Then links. So what are the links tags used in HTML? A, define the hyperlink. Link. So define the relationship between the documents, external resources. Anyway, define navigation link, etc. Next, styles and semantics. So a lot of tags used to the styles: div, span, header, h group, footer, main, section, article, sites, details, dialog. These are a number of tags used to set the styles and the styles. It is used to cascade styles. It is CSS. Okay. Then finally, track and track. Track and track. So here, the HTML element can be tracked and tracked. For example, the track this symbol image is tracked from one rectangle box to another rectangle box. by using the tag. Okay. The drag and drop is very common features. It is when you to grab an image object and drag it to the different location. Here, what are the tags used with drag and drop option? On track start, and track enter, and on track leave, and track over, on track on track end. So these are some of the tags for you to track from one location to another location. Okay, so thank you. That's all about HTML. The next topic going to next slide. Okay, thank you.